Hey everybody, it's the Boss Lady here, coming to you today with a tag video. It is titled The Clean House Tag. I was tagged by Lacee from Lacee Space, and I will link her video in the description box below along with the questions. So let's get into this tag. First question, how often do you clean your house? Daily, weekly, monthly? I will say weekly. I do a little bit of straightening up daily, but cleaning will be weekly. Number two, do you have a certain style or method of cleaning? Meaning like zone cleaning, a schedule, one chore a day, etc. I will say for Bossland, I'm still in the process of finding my true cleaning style schedule. I tried the zone cleaning just on a regular basis, and for me, it does not work. I do zone cleaning during spring cleaning though, and that works fine. I start spring cleaning March 1st, and we go March 1st through April 15th. But as far as like regular cleaning, I just, I walk through a room and whatever is out of place, I just pick it up and clean it. So that's just how a boss lady does it. Number three, what is your least favorite room or area to clean? My least favorite actually would be my basement right now. My basement is unfinished, and it is a basement from scariness. So yeah, I don't like to clean down there. What is your favorite room or area to clean? Number four, I would say my dining room, and only reason why I say that is because it's a room that we don't necessarily use all the time. It's basically a pass through. So that room, I just like to make it pretty, and so that's my favorite room to decorate. Number five, what is your least favorite chore to do? Dusting, mopping, dishes. I will actually have to give two. I hate dusting because I am allergic to dust, which means, yes, I should probably clean daily as opposed to weekly, but I can't stand the dust and I'm constantly sneezing. And then I also hate washing dishes. I have an older home, so I don't have a dishwasher. I am the dishwasher, and I hate it. Okay, number six, what is your favorite chore to do or one you don't mind doing? I would have to say vacuuming. That's one that I don't mind to do. Just push the vacuum around. It picks up the dirt, and that's it. Number seven, what is your favorite cleaning brand, supply, or tool? Okay, so here's where my little props come in. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, at least 13 products, 14, 15 products sitting with me. Let me tell you what my favorites are. And I've recently just purchased some new things, so we haven't tried those yet. So I'll put those to the side. But I will tell you what my go-to is. So let me see. My favorites are in the kitchen. I really like to use the Lacee all-purpose cleaner. And I also like the Clorox Anywhere Hard Surface. And I actually started using this 11 years ago when we had Miss Peanut. This was the perfect cleaning solution for like her high chair and her high chair, her feeding chair, and her bouncy thing she had, little extra saucer, whatever. So this was perfect for when she was eating in those things, and I could just clean it down real fast. So I would use this every day, and this is one that I use when I'm really trying to just clean the kitchen up. So that's two of my kitchen ones. My favorite dish soap, Palmolive. So, yep, Palmolive is my favorite. Between Palmolive and Dawn, but I've been buying Palmolive a lot more. It just keeps my hands a lot softer. For dusting, because, once again, I have allergies, I like the Pledge Dust and Allergen. So this is my favorite. I prefer this over any other. Bathroom-wise, Mr. Clean. And as you can see, it's almost gone, but Mr. Clean is my favorite in the bathroom. I also like the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. Now, something that we picked up, everybody picked up from Dollar Tree, I believe. This was the Lysol Power and Free Tap Top. It has a hydrogen peroxide in it. So I use this when I just want to do a quick wipe down, because I try to wipe my bathroom down like every day, either before I go to work or right when I come home from work. I try to, you know, tap this, wipe it down. So this is like my in-between clean, in between using the Mr. Clean. And then, but what I recently, well, another item I used was this. I don't really care for this one though. This one I can go without. I prefer the Clorox over the Lysol. Let me just grab this. I'm trying to make sure I still have the questions here, because I have a lock on this phone. So anyway, so what I recently picked up though that I do like, or had ordered, whatever, I picked this up. And I've ordered this through the Grove Collaborative, and I love this. This is a good, it gives this one a good run for its money. I prefer this over the Lysol, definitely. And then for my tub, I like the Dollar Tree bathroom cleaner, the Scrubby Bubbles. It's the dupe of the Scrubby Bubbles. I like that as well. So that's kind of my go-to. So now number 8 is, what is a cleaning solution or product you don't recommend? I have to be honest. I don't recommend this one. This is the antibacterial bathroom cleaner. I don't recommend this. I tried it over the weekend. For one thing, it bothered my asthma, so I don't like that. Also with the Lysol, they have this same type of cleaner in a spray, and it comes out in a foam. I don't recommend that one either, because it also affected my asthma. So that's another one. And then I'm trying to think. No, this one I still use, I think. So I'll put that one to the side. I haven't used this yet. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Cleaner. I'm going to try it. Because of the smell of it, though, I'm going to try it when I'm doing spring cleaning. So in areas that I necessarily won't always be in, is where I'm going to actually try this. And my phone just locked again. So give me a second, guys. Sorry. So yeah, so I'm going to try this during spring cleaning. I'm not going to try it now because I don't like the scent of it. But there's areas like, you know, the porch and, you know, different things where I'll be doing a lot of cleaning. I will use that then. And then another one that is a favorite of mine is the Clorox Cleaner and Bleach. I like this one, the spray bottle. I use this sometimes in the bathroom as well. Just, you know, especially like around the toilet or around the floor and the base of the toilet. Yeah. So anyways, so if you have men in your house, you understand what I'm saying. So we're going to move on. Okay, number 9. Can you share some of your favorite cleaning hacks with us? When I don't use this in the bathroom, around the floor and things, and when I don't use this in the bathroom, one thing I do use, I have a spray bottle, which I think is still in the kitchen. I have a spray bottle with vinegar and water, and I just use that as a sanitizer. Not so much as a cleaner, but just as a sanitizer, if I'm out of my other products. I'm trying to think, is there any other hacks I have? The microfiber cloths are good for dusting. I like those as opposed to, you know, using, the things on the stick, because, you know, at least with the microfiber cloths, you're able to wash them. The dusters on the stick, you can't wash them. You just have to just basically throw them away. But I do use those, but I prefer the microfiber cloths. But the ones on the stick is easy for me, especially on top of high places, like on top of my, you can't see it here, but on top of my, let me see, the windows up there. I use the sticks for that, or sometimes for my my ceiling fans in the bedrooms. Okay, and lastly, number 10, have you or do you or would you have a cleaning company coming to your home to clean? Why or why not? I would love to have a cleaning lady. Yes, I would love to have a cleaning lady. I actually know one. She's a good friend of mine. But because of how I am, I probably wouldn't have her come and clean my house. I would have to have a stranger come in. I wouldn't want a friend, because they'll be like, "Oh, girl, your house is a hot mess." Yes, honey, I know, because I'm a cooker, not a cleaner. But I haven't had a cleaning lady yet, outside of my eldest child. She used to help clean a whole lot when she would get in trouble. But anyway, I haven't looked into it. Maybe as I get older. Not right now. I feel that, myself and Boss Man and Miss Peanut, we can, clean our house ourselves. So, I haven't looked into having a cleaning lady. I'm trying to think. I'm not one who would possibly clean before they get here. I'm like, just tell me where you're going to clean, and wherever they're going to clean, that will be dirty, and wherever they're not, then I will clean it. So, and we'll just leave it at that. So, with that being said, now I need to tag a few people. So, I'm going to tag just a couple people. I know there's been a few who have been tagged, so I'm going to tag, let me see here. Let me go through my subscriber list. That will help me, I guess. I'll just grab some names off the list. So, I would like to tag Mrs. V. Let's see. Let me tag, I'm going through here really quick, guys. Sorry. Lisa with an E. Hey, girl. Hey, sis. Let me see. Let me grab one more. Culminate your life. So those are 3 that I am tagging for this video. Please do this video and then let Lacey know that you've done the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see everybody in a new video. Bye-bye.